The team at True North Health Center is dedicated to helping you reach optimal health. Today, we welcome back Dr. Joshua Logan, founder of True North Health Center in Colorado Springs. He is a board certified in neuropathy. Millions of people in the U.S. have diabetes. And if you have diabetes and diabetic nerve pain, today's guest has some encouraging words. It's so great to have you back, Dr. Josh.
Awesome.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yes.
You always have some insightful information. And today, we're talking a little bit more about diabetic nerve pain. So can you kind of talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, so diabetic nerve pain typically comes from those suffering with diabetes, typically type 2. Over 40 million people in America suffer with type 2 diabetes, and half of them have diabetic neuropathy, which is nerve damage in the hands and the feet where you're dealing with numbness, tingling, burning sensations, sharp stabbing pains, balance issues, all of those things, which can completely be prevented, but then also it can be reversed, thankfully, now.
Yay! So is it kind of the exact same as neuropathy nerve pain, or is it different?
It is. Now, neuropathy, there's hundreds of different causes of it, but it all comes down to poor circulation, especially with diabetes and high blood sugar levels. That reduces circulation to the legs and to the feet, which leads to nerve damage because the nerves are basically getting starved. They're not getting the nutrition they need. But then also there's so much inflammation that people deal with, especially with diabetes. And then the body just isn't able to detoxify a lot of toxins as well too. And so we have to look at all of these causes and figure out, all right, how do we reverse this for individuals?
So are you telling me there's hope for people?
There is now. Technology just keeps getting better, and it's no medications, no injections, no surgeries now. Unfortunately, the common treatments is just gabapentin, Lyrica, Cymbalta, which just masks the symptoms to your brain. So you don't feel it, but the problem is getting worse. And so now there's technology to where you can actually reverse neuropathy by actually healing the body, which is helping with blood flow, circulation, reducing really blood sugar levels, but then actually helping the nerves heal again.
So let's go over the treatment options that you guys have at True North.
Yeah, so it can be completely done here in the office. It could be completely done at home, which is wonderful.
I love
so
that.
we have people traveling 4 hours one way to come see us for this all across the state of Colorado. But Colorado Springs, like, that's our heartbeat. That's what we love to serve here. But especially when it comes to what people are dealing with, we have to figure out what is the cause. And then from there, we then have treatment options to actually help people get the relief that they need.
But I like how you also offer treatments for people to do at home, like you say. So it's not just like every time I go to the doctor is when I'm going to get treated. I can do it on my own to make myself better on my terms.
Yes, and we have to do a full evaluation first in our clinic to see what's taking place. And then if it's a case that we can help completely from home, we have all the equipment that you can take at home with you, which actually helps reverse the neuropathy without actually having to leave your house.
How soon can someone come and see you guys if they need some treatment for neuropathy?
Yeah, our team is ready. We have availabilities this week. We have a $49 special now. It's typically $249 where they could come in, get fully evaluated, get a full neuropathy assessment, but most importantly, find options to be able to help with reversing the neuropathy completely naturally with no drugs or surgery or injections.
So what does that $49 special actually come with?
Yeah, so it comes with coming in, doing a full consultation, a full evaluation, examination with the doctors, a neuropathy evaluation specifically, any necessary x-rays to see if there's potentially nerve compression in like the spinal region, which people don't even think about a lot of times. And then a full report of findings where we can sit down, see really where the damage is, what's causing it, but also what needs to take place to actually reverse it and heal it as well.
Well, it's kind of interesting too, because when you think about diabetes and the disease and what it might do to somebody, and if now they have these kind of residual symptoms of like tingling in the feet and the hands and things like that, now I've got an option. Now I've got a solution to go and help me figure out how I can get better in myself.
Yeah, and a big reason I'm so passionate is because my mom dealt with this, and she got no answers. And so put it on myself, my responsibility to actually come up with the solutions, and now she's playing the piano again. She just walked 10,000 steps for like 7 days straight over in Scotland, which is wonderful. So she's loving life now with no issues, and so we're very grateful for that.
All right, Dr. Josh, if someone wants to get in contact with you, maybe take advantage of that $49 special, see what you guys have to offer. What's the easiest way for them to go about that?
Yeah, give us a call. You can see 719-414-HEAL or 4325, or you can go to our website, truenorthneuropathy.com. Give us a call. Our team is ready. We'll be able to get you in this week, or you can go online and search us online as well, too.
Well, Dr. Josh, it's great to have you back.
Thanks
Thank
for
you so
having me.
much.
Yes. Thank you.
All right, great insight as usual from Dr. Joshua Logan. What a tremendous special for those Fox 41 viewers with True North Health Center. That's $49, a $249 value. So make sure you go and call them up and get yourself in there and get yourself online to see if they can help you. Doctor, so good to see you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Also, a special thank you to his entire team at the True North Health Center for making this segment possible.